Once I've learned this recipe, I don't want to make pasta any other way. I'll start by adding oil to 3 chopped cloves of garlic and also a chopped red onion. With 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We'll let it fry here for another minute. Add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and we'll stir 600 grams of ground beef, 1 carrot, half a red bell pepper, add half a yellow bell pepper, and let's add a cup of chopped green onions, add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, in a pot of boiling water, let's add 250 grams of spaghetti noodles. Let these noodles cook for 5 minutes. And now we're going to add the noodles, and we're going to stir until all these ingredients are involved with the noodles. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye.